Life is unpredictable. Chaos can strike at any moment, whether it's unexpected news, a sudden change in circumstances, or the daily frustrations that pile up over time. Many of us feel overwhelmed when life spirals out of control, but Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, offers a powerful approach to dealing with life's chaos. The key is understanding what you can control and what you can't. At the heart of Stoicism is the idea that while you can't control the external events of life, you can always control your mind and your reactions. This distinction is simple, yet profound. When you focus on what is within your power, your thoughts, actions, and attitudes, you begin to find peace in even the most chaotic situations. The Stoics divide life into two categories: what is up to you and what is not up to you. Things that are not up to you include the behavior of others, the outcomes of your efforts, and external circumstances like the weather, traffic, or a sudden loss. These things are beyond your control. However, what is up to you is how you think, how you act, and how you respond to whatever happens. Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, put it plainly: some things are within our control, and some things are not. The key to living a peaceful life is focusing only on the things within your control and letting go of everything else. When you stop trying to control what's beyond your power, you free yourself from frustration, anxiety, and unnecessary stress. Imagine you're faced with a difficult situation. Something didn't go as planned, someone treated you unfairly, or you encountered an unexpected setback. Most people would react with frustration or anger, but the Stoic approach is different. Instead of resisting the situation or dwelling on why it's happening, the Stoic asks, what can I control in this moment? What is within my power? This shift in thinking allows you to let go of what you cannot change and focus on how you can respond constructively. Let's take a common example. You're stuck in traffic, late for an important meeting. It's easy to feel stressed, anxious, or angry in this situation, but a Stoic would recognize that the traffic is beyond their control. What they can control is their attitude, their response. Instead of becoming frustrated, they might use this time to reflect, to practice patience, or to think through their next steps calmly. By focusing on what is within their control, their own reaction, they avoid unnecessary stress. Another aspect of Stoicism is the practice of acceptance. Life is filled with uncertainty, and unexpected events will always arise. The Stoics teach that accepting the reality of a situation, rather than resisting it, is the first step toward maintaining inner peace. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and a prominent Stoic philosopher, wrote, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." This means that while the world around you may be chaotic, how you experience it is shaped by your mindset. Acceptance doesn't mean passive resignation. It's about recognizing that chaos is a natural part of life. Once you accept that, you can approach each challenge with clarity and calm. Instead of wishing things were different or fighting against the reality of the situation, you focus on what you can do in the moment. What action or mindset will help you navigate the chaos with grace? This idea of acceptance is especially powerful when applied to failure or loss. In the face of personal or professional setbacks, it's easy to feel defeated or to dwell on the unfairness of it all. But Stoicism teaches that these moments are opportunities for growth. The Stoic philosopher Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." In other words, chaos and hardship are not obstacles, they are the path. They provide opportunities to practice resilience, patience, and self-control. Stoicism also teaches us to practice what's called negative visualization, a powerful technique for preparing for life's chaos. Negative visualization involves imagining the worst-case scenario, not to dwell on fear, but to remind yourself that even the worst is something you can handle. By mentally preparing for challenges before they happen, you're less likely to be overwhelmed when they do. This practice strengthens your resilience and helps you maintain control over your reactions, even when life feels chaotic. Now, let's talk about letting go. A major source of stress in chaotic situations is our desire to control everything, even when it's impossible. Stoicism teaches the importance of releasing this desire. When you let go of the need to control what is beyond your reach, you find peace. You focus on doing your best with what's in front of you, but you don't cling to the results. As Epictetus wisely put it, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. In a world full of chaos, Stoicism reminds us that the only true power we have is over ourselves, our actions, our thoughts, and our character. Everything else is external, and worrying about it only distracts us from what we can actually influence. By practicing control over your mind, accepting life as it comes, and letting go of the need to control everything, you find strength and peace, even in the most chaotic times. So, how do you handle life's chaos the Stoic way? Focus on what is within your power, your thoughts, your actions, and your responses. Accept that chaos is inevitable and view it as an opportunity to practice resilience. And most importantly, let go of the need to control what you cannot. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content on Stoicism and practical philosophy. Remember, in life's chaos, your true power lies in how you choose to respond.